Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to learn how to make a delicious and authentic pad Thai, a popular Thai dish. First, let's gather our ingredients. 200 grams of rice noodles, 2 tablespoons of tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon each of fish sauce and sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 egg, 100 grams of tofu or shrimp, 1 cup of bean sprouts, and finally, chopped peanuts and lime wedges for garnish. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating the oil in a wok or pan. Add the noodles, egg, and tofu or shrimp, and cook until the noodles are tender. Stir in the tamarind paste, fish sauce, and sugar, and cook for another minute. Add the bean sprouts and cook for another minute. Garnish with chopped peanuts and lime wedges, and enjoy your scrumptious pad Thai. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!